Thursday, the 11th of December, 2025. Coming into Hartwell, Georgia. It is 12:30. Probably middle to upper 40s. May have gotten to 50. This is Georgia, Highway 17. We're going to, we didn't find anything at the Ingles we wanted to eat. We just saw an Arby. On the way back out, we will probably stop at the Arby and get a sandwich and potato cakes. We have a video of Hartwell from last year, maybe the first of this year. But we don't have one on the 11th of December, that's for sure. US Highway 123, Georgia Highway 365. What museum was that? Is that Currahee? Some kind of museum? Currahee. Okay, the sign there says downtown, so we'll be heading right downtown. Crossing over double railroad track. We'll try to find the depot, see if we can find some locomotives. It says 16 degrees Celsius. What is that, 50? 259 Valero. May need to get gas there. We still have 223 miles to go though. This is a 2019 Express van and it is getting so much better mileage. It is saving us considerable money on gas. Toccoa Falls. Seems like we were going there one time and they wouldn't let us in. They were closed. Toccoa River Water Trail. Toccoa River Water Trail. This is alternate 17. Well, where is 17? Prather Bridge Road. We have been out that road. I think that's where we went looking at that property last year. We're recording this with the S20. It'll take a lot longer to upload for whatever reason. It's a good little phone, good little camera. Try to keep the sun at our back, or not in our face at least, or as much as we can. I think we need to turn left and loop through the city, which is going to have it right in our face. Sage Street. Is that the old courthouse? Festival of Trees. That would indeed look like to be the old courthouse to me. Let's drive around the block here. We need to clean the windshield. what's the deal with this? Light's not working or whatever. There's the old depot. Are there any trains anywhere? Any locomotives? Locomotive? Amtrak comes through here. We got an Amtrak train down in outside of Jessup, going through one of those places, wildlife management areas, and it was moving and grooving. It wasn't wasting any time. Okay, we're going to turn right here, then go left, and then cross over that old bridge up there. That way that bridge will not be straight in our eyes. It'll be there behind us, or right in front of us. The sun won't be in our eyes. There we go. Don't see any locomotives for us to get. This bridge reminds me a little bit of the bridge up in Jasper, coming out of Jasper. Let's see if we can zoom in on this a little bit and get a picture. Anyone have any information on this bridge, a history, when it was built? Use pea gravel. That tells me it's early 1900s. We're just zigzagging back and forth now, letting y'all see more of Toccoa. Street closes at what, 3 p.m.? They must do stuff, huh? Downtown Toccoa. Toccoa Street. We need to loop back around here and get a picture of the courthouse for our video. Stevens County Government Building. Alexander Street. This building down here on the left reminds me of an old post office, an old government building. U.S. Post Office, government building there on the right. Is that right? Maybe, maybe not. Toccoa Municipal Building. Okay. Close enough. That one may have it does. That one has a cornerstone on it. I try to catch these cornerstones. I like seeing when these buildings were built. Seems like I remember standing in the street here and getting pictures of this courthouse. camera a little bit. Bet this is nice lit up at night. Okay, what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn right and start working our way back out. I said we're gonna be up here, I guess, for several weeks looking after this job. We'll probably swing by here one night and get night video. Well, I think we'll go head back out and go back to the Arby's and get something to eat. Well, it says it's 11. Am I 12:30? Oh no, okay, it's been recording for 11 minutes. I'm gonna say it doesn't sound like the right time because it's 12:38. He's limping. He had his leg and paw, but he was holding it up, limping. Poor doggy. Toccoa River Water Trail, Travelers Rest Historical Site. We've tried to go there once before, and it was closed, I think, when we were up here before. I don't know what that is. Livonia, alternate 17, that's where we're going. I don't know what that was to the left. We're going to head on back out. We will stop at the Arby's, and that's where we will wrap this up. Military Museum. So that must be where the you reckon that's where the Rangers trained? We need to do that. We've been up here and went by it once before, but we didn't go to it. Didn't know what it was at that time. We need to check it out. What road is this? Currahee Street. US 123. Well, that says north. I would have thought that would have been... Okay, I guess that makes sense. Yeah, okay. Georgia 365, US 123. So US 123 to the right is south or west. Itching. Let's turn us loose. Turn us loose like a goose. Royston 28, Livonia 11. Guns and ammo. We may have to check that out. Okay, well, I don't know how long this video is. This is probably 30 minutes, 25 minutes. Okay, let's go ahead and turn it off. This will be a wrap. We're coming up on the, well, we got a Dairy Queen.